What begins as a simple domestic argument over an event ticket quickly spirals into a public disturbance, physical assault, and a strenuous arrest. This body cam footage captures the moment an officer arrives at an outdoor event confronted by a chaotic scene. The officer must navigate conflicting stories and escalating emotions to determine the primary aggressor, a decision that will turn a verbal dispute into a criminal investigation. What's crucial to note is how rapidly the situation deteriorates once a clear victim comes forward.
It's hot. I'm sorry. It's hot, and my boyfriend won't give me my ticket.
Ticket for what? To
The
get
show?
in there?
So
Did you assault someone in there?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
You sure?
Yeah, I was just yelling, and then they tried to drag me out when I was walking out. They told me to leave.
Why were they dragging you out? Were you telling them you're not going to leave?
No, I told them I was leaving. I was on my way to the car, as you could just see.
Yeah, I heard that. Hi.
How are you?
Good.
They put their hands on me when they told me to leave, and I started walking to the car.
Well, if they're telling you to leave their establishment, they can't
I
put hands
started
if you're
running,
not
and they
walking
put
away.
I did. I ran out to the door, and they put their hands on me.
Absolutely not.
Yes, you did. You guys grabbed me.
Nobody touched
And there were a bunch of you, and two of you put your hands on me.
I asked you to leave.
And I started going to the door. I ran out. I left. I left.
And we followed you out.
And you touched me.
Nobody touched
you.
me.
You tried grabbing me.
All right. Just calm it down. Take deep breaths for a minute.
I told them I was leaving.
You're clear. Can you add it to the call, please? All right. I'm going to have you step over here so we can get out of so I can talk.
Okay.
Just stand right over here. All right. So what?
The event organizer, Dan, presents himself as a calm and credible witness. He methodically recounts how he intervened in a verbal altercation between the woman Georgia and her boyfriend. His statement culminates in a direct accusation that's when she swung and hit me. This allegation is the turning point, providing the officer with the probable cause needed to take action. From a procedural standpoint, the officer now transitions from mediator to enforcer.
Second.
They were arguing.
I don't know if you understand what rude is. Go ahead.
They were arguing. We separated them, asked them to calm down. I told them that they need to leave. We can't have this going on here.
Okay.
That's when she swung and hit me. I'm not hurt. I'm not injured. But
Right.
she did hit
Where
me.
she hit you?
Yes.
No, where she hit you?
Shoulder, arm.
Okay.
She just kind of swung both arms and hit me in the shoulder and arm.
Grabbed me on my way out.
Okay.
Right after that happened, she started walking
Can you
away.
secure her for me?
Right after that happened, she started walking away.
With the assault allegation made, the officer's attempt to detain Georgia is met with immediate resistance. Her defiant words, "Can you put me in cuffs? Go ahead," betray a severe misjudgment of her situation. Here, the situation takes a dramatic turn. Her verbal defiance quickly becomes physical noncompliance, forcing the officers to use control techniques to secure her on the ground. This is a textbook example of how a suspect's resistance dictates the level of force required.
Stop me! Please get her! Please get her! Please! Yes!
For the last time, stop. Hands back.
I can't! I can't! Ow! 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 Ow!
Her hands
Ow! Ow!
During the struggle, Georgia repeatedly screams that she has stitches on her arm. This introduces a significant complication. The officer's training likely kicked in here, balancing the need to control a resisting suspect with the duty of care to prevent further injury. Despite her claims, her continued struggling makes it nearly impossible for the officers to assess the injury or adjust their holds, prolonging the physical confrontation.
We have one secured. We were fighting her. She's going to be in the cruiser.
I didn't fight anybody. You didn't have a...
All right, let's get in the car.
On me.
Come on, get up. You don't listen.
I was listening. Stop. I need to talk to you, officer. Please talk to me. Can you please talk to me, sir? Because they're being unfair. This woman right here. I'm listening. I'm compliant.
I don't know who this is. All right, let's start it over.
Okay, so after she assaulted me, I asked her to leave. She started to walk away. She's still screaming and yelling. He followed her to make sure that she was actually leaving. Before he even got to her, I made it very clear, do not touch her. Do not put your hands on her. You're not an officer. You cannot touch her. We followed her out. None of my staff touched her. If anybody touched her, it was her boyfriend, and that happened before we saw anything.
Okay.
So after I was assaulted by her, and she was told to exit. We simply followed her out. Nobody touched her.
Okay.
I have 20 witnesses to that. Like that,
How did
nobody
she
touched
assault
her.
you?
She punched him. She struck at him.
Yeah, she was. I told her that she had to leave. I can't have this confrontation in my event. Like, we're just
Where
getting
did she
started
come
here.
from?
They.
This is the car she rode in with her boyfriend. Where's the boyfriend?
He went back into the pits.
If someone can get him,
Yeah.
and can we get all the witnesses? We need to get statements.
Yeah, he was a witness. Tanner, do you copy?
Can we start him on the scene?
Yeah, we just need some
Go
paperwork
back
now.
out there to the sheriff. Lynn, do you copy? Tanner, can you grab Lynn and bring her out with you too, please? And do you copy?
Once Georgia is temporarily secured, the investigation continues and the backstory begins to unfold. The core of the conflict was money. The boyfriend Tyler refused to pay for her entry wristband because they were already arguing. It's plausible that this rejection was the final trigger for Georgia, leading her to bypass security and confront him, thereby drawing the attention of the event staff.
She got upset, chased him down. He wouldn't pay for her wristband to get in because they were already arguing, and he was upset and he wanted her to wait out here. That's when she ran past our gate without getting the wristband, screaming and yelling at him. And that's
So she entered without a pass.
she entered without paying for entry, yes.
Gotcha.
And that means they didn't sign a liability waiver to get in, so that's where we step in, right?
Yeah.
And then once she got in, we're doing our driver's meeting. I hear screaming and yelling down from down in the pits. So all of our staff starts running down to her. I was the first one to get there. Asked them to separate, just go their separate ways for now. I can't have them next to each other.
Okay.
And that's when she assaulted me.
Did you witness anything?
No, I just witnessed her kind of putting her hands on me.
That's what we need statements from everyone. Yeah.
You want me to write it all out?
Just write what you've seen.
Okay.
And then I'll have you write a statement as well. I need a few more. Do you have any more clipboards? I want to speak off my clipboards.
Somebody ate mine too. They're gone. Did you witness anything?
A key female witness, the front gate attendant, and the organizer's wife provides a corroborating third-party account. She confirms that Georgia was just at full speed running past the gate without paying and later put hands on and she hit him. Independent witness testimony like this is invaluable in court as it shifts the case from a he said, she said scenario into a substantiated complaint.
He flew by the gate, so I just got out to go after her and say, like, hey, you have to stop and sign the waiver and pay. Like, she's like, no, he has my money and wristband. So then I went up and he's saying, please leave, please get away from me.
I was coming down, so there's the grandstand
Some
right there.
fighting between the two of them with hands, physical fighting.
The only thing I saw was the gentleman on the skateboard. Which
And then, a bunch of staff by then heard it and all helped me, like, converge and stuff. And then my husband, Dan, who runs the event, asked her, yes, that one. Yeah, that's my husband. Yeah, we were on the fence together.
She was yelling at them,
asked her, you need to leave, this needs to end, you need to leave. And then she put hands on him, she hit him. And he's like, nope. And then they ran after her because she started running off. And he said, please don't touch her, which none of them touched her. Please call the sheriff immediately, she needs to leave. And then we asked both of them to leave until you guys arrived to handle the situation of what was
Do you mind writing a statement for us?
I do not mind, ma'am.
So what's going on? What?
The boyfriend Tyler is finally interviewed. His demeanor is one of dismissive frustration. While he downplays the physical aspect of their fight, admitting only that she ripped my shirt, his narrative paints a picture of a volatile and recurring problem. His words, she's already starting some of the bullshit, and his decision to walk away from her reveal a dysfunctional relationship dynamic, where avoidance is his primary coping mechanism.
And then they're
So tell me the part that happened when they came on scene. What happened?
I was gone. I was literally
Oh, you just walked away?
I was on the skateboard, and one of them's like, they came up to, like, they were dealing with her. I was riding away. They came up to me afterwards, and they're like, what's going on? I was like, she's starting some bullshit. I'm not dealing with it. I'm walking away if that's fine. And he's like, okay, go cool down, and we'll find you when we need you.
Okay.
And then I came back here to get a shirt because she ripped it, and then I was riding that way, and they come up on, and like they didn't literally say anything, so I was like, oh, okay, they'll find me
So
later.
she was physical with you?
She just ripped my shirt. I don't know what happened between them because I was like, I'm not dealing with it. That's between you and them. I was like, I tried to calm you down. I'm not dealing with this shit.
Okay.
So I'm just going to leave.
Okay.
And then I left, and then I don't know what happened between all them. All I heard was yelling and screaming, and I'm just
It's
walking
going to be for
away.
the suspect, Georgia North.
And then I think it was him in the gray shirt. He's like, go calm down, go do that, we'll find you later. And then I was just walking around, and then the guy in the blue just got me. So,
Okay. Do you have your driver's license on you?
Yeah.
Do you have a push broom on your truck you can bring out to the entry lane at spectator parking? There's some glass.
A startling admission from Tyler adds another layer to the incident he smashed the car's window with a skateboard out of anger at Georgia. This action, while not directed at a person, demonstrates that both parties are capable of destructive outbursts. Furthermore, he reveals Georgia's arm injury was from the previous night when she cut it open while jumping a fence. This pattern of high-risk impulsive behavior from both individuals suggests the conflict seen today is not an isolated event.
I'm already here. I don't give a fuck what you do. I'm going in. Like, you can figure it out yourself.
Okay. Is this like common for you guys to fight like this, argue and all that?
Not a lot. I mean, it's been more common like recently, but she usually gets better on it because like she usually's like, oh, gets afraid about it, and then calms down. But this time she didn't do it. I was like, I don't give a fuck anymore. Do your own shit.
Okay.
So you can figure it out.
Okay.
And then she literally didn't listen to any of them. All they were saying is like, go to the car and calm down. It'll be fine. It's
So
like,
she
oh.
wasn't physical to you?
I mean, she just ripped my shirt.
All right. But she didn't
No.
threaten to hurt you and
No. I mean, I don't
try
know.
to
Maybe
fight you. She
did when
just tried to
was
grab
yelling,
your
but
clothes?
I was just walking away because I don't.
Why do you think she was grabbing onto you?
Because
What
I
is
was
it that she
leaving
wanted?
me to come back and deal with this shit when literally it was literally nothing in the morning with just her starting bullshit. I was like, we're going in, just do whatever. And then she freaks out. I was like, I'll be back later once you calm the fuck down. And she's like, oh, don't leave me. And I was like, the car's right there. You can sit there and wait. I'm not going anywhere. I'm going to be here all day.
Okay. Can you,
I was trying to see if you had any injuries on you.
Nah, I'm
at
good.
all. Like scratches or anything.
do you feel like she was trying to assault you because you didn't give her a ticket?
I told her I'd just wait in the car, calm down, I'll be back. And she just ran in past them. And they're like, damn, you need to wait. And then she just kept running in. Now it's just the back of the shirt.
Okay. Do you have any weapons or anything in this vehicle? Besides
Not
all
that
these
I know,
other...
Not that I know,
what
but
are
I
all
don't
these
know what you
equipment?
consider weapons. There's just a bunch of car parts, and there's probably pocket knives and screwdrivers in there, but I honestly don't even know what's in here anymore.
But no firearms?
No, there's no guns or anything.
Okay. What do you do?
Auto mechanic.
Are you guys like just traveling down here just to come to this
Oh
event?
yeah, we were coming to the event, and then my other friend was up here that actually wanted some of these parts that I brought up, and then mainly we just came to watch the event. We were supposed to come up here last night, but when we were at storage, she cut her arm open on the fence, and then we had to go to the hospital and then get out here in time, and then we came up
And you
late
said
last
she
night.
cut her arm. How? What was she doing?
Jumping a fence at storage. We went out for a drive, we came back, and someone locked our door, and like I didn't have the keys there, my other pants at home,
What storage?
off Oakland Park.
Okay.
So we jumped the fence, and then she jumped over, and then when she came down, I just saw blood, and it was like the whole arm was fucked up, so then we had to go to the hospital.
Okay.
And then she still wanted to come out here, and I was like, that's okay. She was all calmed down and everything then, and then she just started this shit this morning. I was like, what the fuck?
Okay.
Ow! You're fine. She's
That's your pen?
grabbing in this.
Did you see anything?
Yeah, I saw a portion of it. I believe that.
Please!
Put your hand behind your back.
Please! Please!
Put your hand behind your back.
Can I get a pen, please?
Put your hand behind
Quit grabbing my
Stop fighting.
fucking I swear to God!
Face that way.
Ow! 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 Hurry the fuck up!
As officers attempt to place the still struggling Georgia into the patrol car, her resistance peaks. Her final words, "Get your hands off me," combined with the officer's warning, "Kick me and you're going to get another charge," underscore the gravity of her actions.